Okay, welcome back and an advance Happy New Year to everyone there, to everyone here, and of course to you, Chris.
To you, Rico.
Yes, alam mo, Chris, isa naman masasabi ko sa nakaraang production number.
You loved it.
I loved it so much at isa naman masasabi ko napakahusay ng artistang ABS na yung nagpanggap na Michael Jackson na si Marvin, nagpakulot pa para na maging kamukha si Michael Jackson. Anyway, Chris.
It's really a party here in the Philippines, pero ano kaya ang nangyayari all over the world?
Let's see.
Okay, here we go.
Now, ito po mga kaibigan.
Sunset in Singapore.
Yes, Singapore.
And then, nandito na tayo sa, Jerusalem.
Oh, Jerusalem.
The land of Jesus' birth.
Uh-huh.
Yan ang Twilight in Jerusalem.
Twilight in
naman.
Jerusalem. Wow, napakaganda naman. No? You see the famous structures.
Ay, that's
And
beautiful.
this is, I think this is still Jerusalem, no?
Yes, we're still in Jerusalem.
Here
It's
we
one
are.
of my dreams to go to the Holy Land.
Oh, wow.
Okay, nandito na tayo ngayon sa...
We're here in Chatham Island in Micronesia. This is in the Pacific. And we have children and elders. They are surrounding a bonfire awaiting the coming of the new millennium. Ito na po sila. They're wearing yellow and green. And wow.
Malayo
Okay.
ba yan sa atin, Rico?
About 4 hours.
You've been there?
Ano?
Okay. Ngayon naman, nandito na tayo sa Kiribati,
This
where
is
the Tongan natives are dancing.
Yes,
If
sumasayaw.
I'm not mistaken, si Asi Taulava is part Tongan, di ba?
This is midnight, mga kaibigan. Midnight na to, pero umaga pa rin
At
siya.
ang mga nakatira dyan, mga scientists, sila ang nagse-celebrate.
Sila ang nagse-celebrate ng coming of the new millennium.
And of course, this is a laser show in New Zealand.
New Zealand!
Oh, beautiful!
Wow, napakaganda naman. Mga kaibigan, this is the first country na kung saan pumasok yung bagong milenyo. Kaya
Ay,
ito
ang
po,
ganda
mga kaibigan.
talaga.
Wow.
Fabulous. I think we will equal that later on. Don't
I
you
hope
think
so. I hope so, Chris.
This is the ABS-CBN Worldwide celebration of the new millennium. We're at the Quezon City Memorial Circle, and they are, of course, at the fort and at the Luneta.
At the Luneta Grandstand. And of course, we
We'll be
right back. Don't go away.